Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. In this video I'm going to demonstrate or just do a little project with these new Finetech pearlescent colors. I just got them yesterday, and this is not sponsored, by the way. I bought them myself. And here are the colors. And today I'm going to be painting just some doodles so that I can practice with them and we can all enjoy seeing how they work. So I've started out with just trying them on paper individually. This is just the pearlescent color, and this row is, and these ones are with regular watercolors underneath them. And so my conclusion on this is that they work a lot better with the color underneath them, but they don't necessarily have to have that. But I did notice that ones like this purple, if you look straight on, it just looks like sort of a flat gray, but with a purple underneath it, you can see the purple regardless of where the light hits it. This is, you can't really see this, but this is this pearly one here. When it catches the light, you can see that it's there, but I put it over this deep pink to see how it would enhance that, and I really like the look of it. So what I've done for the project today is we're going to do basically some doodled bugs. I have drawn some here. I've got just some random beetles, these ones, and a few butterflies, because these are insects that actually do occur in iridescent colors in nature. So let's get started. I'm painting the first layer here with just regular watercolor, and then I will go over it with the pearlescent or iridescent colors afterwards. And like I said, these are just little sketches. You can do them however you want to. I'm not trying to make anything perfect by any stretch of the imagination. They're mostly dry now, so I'm going to switch over to the pearlescent paints and see what kind of effects we get. And I think I'm going to start with this one because I think it's probably the most dry one. And this is a bright gold, or maybe an old gold. Looks like a bright gold to me. So I'm going to apply it here, and it comes up so pretty. It's just so sparkly. And then I'm using the paler gold for the body over top of the cadmium yellow light. I'm not making any effort to be neat about this because they're just doodles to try out the paint. So you can see the iridescence on that one. I'm loving it. Okay, let's try some other colors. This color is kind of an aquamarine color, and I'm going to use the same one on this butterfly wings just to see how different they might look. Now that's the same pearlescent color on two different bases. Paint does change the color of what's underneath it, so it's good to be aware of that. Now for this butterfly, I'm going to try mixing a couple. So here's the color that I've come up with mixing these two. I'm going to try it on this. Now I'm going to mix this blue, which actually becomes quite creamy when you mix it on the pan, with the iridescent white or silvery white. Ordinarily I would use these pearlescent paints as accents. Now here's what I've come up with these. Some of them are beautiful, like this is a really good match, and that's one that I mixed. Some of the others not so much with what's underneath, but I love how the light catches them. This green is nice. So I'm just going to add some finishing touches. The black along here doesn't seem to have a whole lot of pearliness to it, but that's okay. This color is kind of a peculiar green brown. I'm just going to use it to put some dots on this insect here. I'm going to try this kind of burgundy color one and make some stripes on this yellow gold fellow. Now, just for fun, I'm going to add some legs and wings and feelers, or decoration if you will, with this Micron size 01 pen. Copper is one color that I haven't used, so I'm going to try it on another bug. These pearlescent colors are really fun to work with and will make lovely accents on all kinds of illustrations and painting projects. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you can be notified when I have a new video. And if you liked the video, please click the like button. I'd love it if you'd leave a comment, and if you have had any experience with these paints, what your impressions are. And I'll see you next time.